Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change transparency of Smart Sidebar in Realme 14x phone. Where to find its options? So first of all, our sidebar is here. To change some options, we need to go to settings first, then we need to go to accessibility and convenience, and in the Smart Sidebar menu we have our floating bar options. So here is the switch to enable or disable this sidebar, and in the floating bar we have a few options that we can change. So we are interested in the transparency of this button. We can make it bigger so we can see it better. We can make it less transparent using this slider, almost invisible, and we can make it more transparent and more visible, so less transparent here. Of course, we can enable auto hiding option right here as well.